Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about full outer join. Full outer join is very much equivalent to full join only. Now, earlier session we have seen that how to join, inner join and all. If you are missed out that particular session, is very important. All intermediary steps from beginning to make it as a join statement, it's explained very clear in detail in that particular statement. Now here, based on that session, just simply what I am doing here, it's very much pretty easy to making. Instead of inner join, what I am doing here, it is replacing inner to full. It's full. That's it. I'm making as in a full. What it's coming here, the result set completely it's coming. The differences between like inner join and full join. Inner join will give you as a result set, it's completely matching rows only. Whereas full join is a combination of left join plus right join. Means the complete left whole table as well as right whole table data will gives you as an output. That is the meaning of full join as well as full outer join, we can call it as, and we'll see. Just simply make it as in a full join over here, that left part of the table here and the right part of the table. This is a join that orders table will get complete whole data from the as in a result set. And instead of if you want to check what are the null columns also means empty columns like where which is the not matching columns are also it's getting the data as an output is using full join. If you want to check it, you can make it as in a condition of where clause and you will identify the what are the columns are null. We'll see here by implementing those advanced statement here is in a where clause, that is in a where like we'll take it in a order like order table dot order id. The column whichever we are using, we respect to given a column alias name with dot column name. Then only the query statement will understand the column which is representing to which table. All right, and space is null. Now run the query. We have get complete two tables data here where it may be matching or not. See here, these two columns are the null values here it is representing on the list, whereas these also came with the output as a result output. Now, if I run only, I am checking with the is null. Now we will get only those two columns only, the two rows only. If I applied where condition, what are the null which is not matched in order? These are the two rows. Even those two rows are also will come with by whenever I am using without where clause with this particular statement only. Up to till without selecting of the where I am executing from here itself. Now see, if I execute it, complete whole set it will comes from the two tables. The purpose, whenever you want to get the data, which is the purpose you have to mention and maintain, you have to use such a queries like this. All right. Hope you understand about the full join. It's very pretty easy. Thank you for watching this session.